This is OnePlus Ace to be a mid-premium range smartphone from OnePlus. In the upcoming months, it's anticipated to become available as the OnePlus Nord 3 outside of mainland China. OnePlus Ace to be design. The design and one important set of specifications appear to be the main differences between the OnePlus Ace 2V and the previously released Ace 2. The Ace 2V appears to have flat side edges and a power button to the right. The display is surrounded by identical bezels, and the volume rocker is to the left. The front camera drill hole slot is in the center, and aside from the edges, the camera module is what most distinguishes the Ace 2 from the 2V. OnePlus Ace 2V specifications. Regarding specifications, the OnePlus Ace 2V is based on a 6.74-inch flat OLED display with a punch hole in the center. The 10-bit screen supports HDR10+ and has a resolution of 2772 x 1240 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 1450 nits. A MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC powers the device. This chipset is coupled with UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5X memory. Using Android 13, ColorOS 13 is launched. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, including a 64MP primary sensor with OIS support, an 8MP ultrawide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. It has a 16MP camera up front. The smartphone also has twin stereo speakers, an in-screen fingerprint reader, dual SIM, 5G and Wi-Fi. This smartphone comes with triple camera setup of 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 2MP macro lens. On the front, it has a 16MP shooter. Here are some camera samples of this smartphone.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before.